Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2007 Yamaha Stratoliner Trike with only 8,889 miles runs and rides well and passes New Hampshire State inspection. It's been upgraded with a CSC TRIKE kit, passenger floorboards, Mustang seat, mirrors, and aftermarket horn. The Stratoliner is a high-performing touring bike with a unique style and attitude. Powered by an air-cooled 1854cc V-twin engine, it puts 98 horsepower and 123 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. The addition of a trike kit allows it to be accessible to a wider range of riders and offers the stability of 3 wheels on the ground. In stock form, it has a seat height of 27.8 inches and a dry weight of 758 pounds. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please review the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.